sale. Just picked it up. Hot off the press. Woo! You know what that is? Build a fire and then you hang your chickens. No, I'm just kidding. It's oxyacetylene tank, bottle cage, transporter. The forklift under there. Fill it with bottles. Yeah, nice little thing. Junk Toro. You got a Ski-Doo. Grand Touring. Rotax 583. Woo! It's fresh. Been sitting. 2019 sticker. Not too bad. You could be riding through the snow. Not me. Not I. Woo! Oh, Bombardier. Look, it's got a starter on it. I don't know. I don't know nothing about it. You could buy it. What do we have here? Oh boy. An Onan propane powered generator. 5,000 watt? I don't know. I don't know nothing about it. But you might. Might want to buy it. It's all on Marketplace. All just went on there for sale. You could have propane Onan. Maybe you want an oil tank. Or maybe don't look at my 60s Jacobson turf tractor. Dually? Kidding me? The only problem, got a Ford engine. Not so good. Oh yeah. Woo! Tapping again, boys. You're still coughing a little. The same old hustle game. Snowmobile is already sold. Hate to tell you. Cash money. Gone. Sold, delivered. Now we celebrate. Cheers. These boys,